ba mga person? So for today's video kami ay manonood ng Evil Dead Burn. Yeah. hindi na-inform na ang panonoodin pala ay horror. Akala niya ay si Moana. Diba? Perfect. August 20, another horror movie. Ayan na, i-block na yan sa first showing ba to? Ayan, nasasabi ni Obsession. So ayun na nga, manonood ang mga person nyo ng first screening ng Evil Dead Burn. Okay? Kasi bago maihig pa, dahil horror ang pamunonoorin ng mga person. Okay, so simula na. Hala! Bakit So, for today's video, ayan na nga. Manonood kami ng Evil Dead Burn. Yes. Mag-hi naman ang mga person. Dead Burn.
Wicked little French bitch! Ma'am, what happened?
She stole my legs!
But yours will do just fine.
How come you're keeping all these urns full of dead people?
I swear to God, he jumps out of the window and he's running down the street in his underwear.
Who the fuck just jumps out of a window?
I know, just a stupid motherfucker.
Oh my God. Don't tell me that's Emma, man.
Oh my God!
Ano mo nasasabi mo? Nakakatakot. Ano siya? Yan na. Diyos ko, yan na. Kumit na siya, kumit. Tawa ka na, wait na. Tawa na, di mo dyan. Nakakatakot. Tayo ka. No. Yan mo ba siya? Oh my gosh, pinasa.
Come with us. Okay, we'll see you then.
Okay.
Ay, ang nanay. Oh my God.